are people in this season, God will be calling them also into ministry. You know, many years ago, God called me. I knew I was, the church I was in then, I mean, there was nothing that should have warranted that, but I knew He was calling me. And even though I thought it would be charted in a particular way, I just said to myself, I was not disobedient to the heavenly vision. And it continued and continued and continued. And here we are today, still following that path. The earlier you say yes to the call of God upon your life, the better for your destiny. You say, no, the reason I don't want to say yes is because I really want to enjoy life. When God calls you, He does not call you into boredom. God does not call you to erase you. He calls you to raise you. And in raising you, He raises men through you. Growing up then, I saw Bishop Benson in Dausa hold the microphone. I saw Prophet Obadari hold the microphone. I saw Pastor W.F. Kumuyi. I saw Bishop David Oyedepo. I said to myself, one day, Wale, I'm holding the microphone. Because there's a call over my life. So what about those who did not succeed in ministry? Sincerely, I didn't see them. I didn't see them. I just saw the role models I was following. But Pastor, it's not easy for pastors' life. Sincerely, I don't see those that you are talking about. Because there's a dream, there's a vision. Don't play small, your God is big. So what about sinfulness? People of God, I don't think about it. You know why? It's been made our righteousness. I just think about those good things, those good things. Paul the apostle wrote, he said, if there's anything, think on these things. You will think on them, meditate on these things until they become your reality. There are things that if you just have a change of mind, they won't show up in your dream again. And I'm telling you from my experience. You just have a change of mind, they will not show up in your dream again. There are things if you stand up by 11 p.m., 12 midnight, and make a decree, I am the righteousness of God in Him. Therefore, whatever is not of God, I command a disconnect.